and I trusted you to sing the song. You pulled it off.
You are safe, Ellen!
Akala ko po noon, mabubottom po na ako dahil dun sa naging performance ko na hindi ako comfortable dun sa kinalabasan. Super tight na po ng lawanan namin ngayon. Akala po namin yung mga ginagawa namin is enough na, pero hindi po pala.
Kung unang sinabi pa lang nila sa akin yung team, sabi ko, alam ko na yung ibibigay ko sa kanya. Mapapakita niya talaga yung pagiging hip-hop swag niya dito sa song na to.
Actually, hindi ko po talaga naabutan yung TLC, pero love ko po talaga yung songs nila. Gusto ko yung po feeling sa Left Eye, medyo swaggy din po siya.
I think from now on, we're going to see Ellen sing songs that she truly believes in.
Left Eye, sana matulungan ako ng song mo ngayon na makabawi from last week. And itong song na to, para sa iyo to.
What do you think about Ellen? Come on, it's a different girl on that stage. I think Ellen, your fans, sa lahat ng mga mag-vote sa'yo sa text, come on people, you have to text, you have to vote after the show. They know now, pag kinakanta mo ng isang kanta na you believe in, medyo tagalid last week, di ba? Is that the right word? Tagalid. You were not really sure dahil, syempre, medyo sensitive yung word na ginagamit mo, but that's the past. This is the new Ellen. We love it!
Thank you so much po. At saka, it's the first time I see you smile after singing. Kasi
Beginning to end.
Itong dalawang pupils ni Cherries, when you're talking to them, they already want to cry. No? Because they are so sensitive. But now, nakita mo yung performance mo ngayon, parang confident na confident ka ngayon.
Bro. Martin, you said this is the new?
Well, I think there's a newness in her smile and her attitude.
I would like to go against that.
Go for it, dude.
Because this is
Say a bad word.
This is the Allen that I was waiting for. Yung nakita ko noon, yung pagalaw-galaw ng ganun, ngayon ko nakita. Ngayon, ayan oh. And you know what? It's you. Hindi mo, it's naturally you. You know, hindi mo nilalagay dahil kailangan mong gumalaw. No, that's just you. This is what I was waiting for, Allen.
Good job.
Good job.
And she's only 16.
Thank you.
She's the baby of our company.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
Ayan.
Because I keep telling her na pag upset siya, it really shows. And tonight, I did see na yung attitude mo sa stage and everything, this is Allen. Keep it up. This is Allen. Keep it up.
Thank you so much po.
This is Ellen. So if you liked Ellen's performance. Guys, bumoto kayo, please. Vote for her by texting accept space ALLEN. Voting lines will open at the end of the show. Naku guys, huwag kayong magpakampante sa pagboto, okay? Okay, thank you mga kapamilya. Ellen! When we come back, ang finalist mula naman sa category ni Martin, his performance sa pagbabalik ng The X Factor Philippines.